I also have to give you credit because you introduced me to my new love, my new fogger. So can you tell
Yeah.
me about foggers and how you made the decision that you made to bring the fogger that you brought in, and how has that changed your practice?
Well, first of all, the fogging is one of the greatest PR pieces that I've got in my office because as patients are leaving the operatory, we're fogging it. And what we're fogging it with is hypochlorous acid. The body makes hypochlorous acid. It's used in the fruit industry. It's used in the meat handling industry. It's safe to use, and they use them in hospitals. And it's not a mist. It's actually a fog. It's a 5 micron particle or less size, so that it dries almost on contact when it hits the surface, and it's perfectly clean. And the nice part about a fog, it gets into the nooks and crannies that you can't necessarily get to. So when we're fogging in the rooms, the halls, the bathrooms, when the patient walks out the door, we're fogging the reception area. We're fogging up so everything can drop down. And then we slowly wave it down so, make sure it gets down to the floor. It works very, very well. And I got into it because study club that you join us from Smiles in the Sun, we started exploring it because one of our members heard about it, and he was actually buying salt and distilled water and making it in what looks like a little coffee pot. And he can make his own hypochlorous acid by the quart, I believe it is. I'm lazy. I bought it pre-made. And yeah, yeah. You make it too?
No
Oh,
way.
you're lazy. Yeah, I'm not buying it. I bought it in 1 gallon jugs. It's cheap enough from my perspective. And I bought the fogger, and I got into the whole thing. 4 gallons of hypochlorous acid and a fogger, and I think I was all in for about $750, with shipping and tax.
Yeah, I bought the smaller one and my bill was under six. So
Yeah, so I mean, it's great. It's I give them a plug if you don't mind, but it's bioblasting.com. I don't make anything on these plugs. I'm just telling you we're here to help everybody, right?